Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to track order in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, first of all we have to create a page. So simply go to pages and then next just click on the add page. After clicking on the add page, now what we need to do, just add the title here, track order. Now simply you have add the title here. So now you can also add some description here. You will add the products number and list of all the products here. So after adding all the products details here, you can simply on the top right side just click on save button. So you can see finally our page is created. So you can add this page to any product, and in this way you can track order in Shopify.